Hi everyone. Today we'll dive into our second cosmetic ingredient spotlight. The ingredient of the week will be marshmallow root. Watch me process marshmallow root for my hair and skincare line at richandrooted.com while we explore why marshmallow root, also known by its inky and scientific name as Althea officinalis, is a powerhouse ingredient for hair care formulations. Whether you're creating a conditioner, leave-in treatment, or scalp serum, understanding its active compounds is key to unlocking its full potential. Let's break it down. Marshmallow root on average has a pH between 4 and 4.7, making it slightly acidic. But for an exact pH measurement, you'll need a digital pH meter. This amazing cosmetic ingredient is categorized as a film-forming humectant and occlusive for its ability to attract water and form a gel-like protective layer over the hair and skin. But today we'll focus on its benefits for our hair and scalp. Marshmallow root is packed with mucilage, a gel-like substance that gives it its signature slip and hydration properties. This makes it an excellent natural detangler and moisture booster for your hair and scalp. This mucilage is made up of sugars called polysaccharides. These sugars form a protective film over the hair, locking in moisture and smoothing the hair's cuticle layer. Flavonoids, antioxidants like quercetin, help protect the hair from oxidative stress and environmental damage. Pectin, a plant fiber that enhances hydration and scalp health, and tannins. These help strengthen the hair shaft, reducing breakage and improving elasticity. Marshmallow root isn't just effective at hydrating the hair, but it's also rich in vitamins that nourish the scalp and promote healthy hair growth. Like vitamin A, also known as retinol, which supports scalp health and sperm production, keeping your hair soft and hydrated. And vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid, an antioxidant that boosts collagen production, improving the hair structure. And last but definitely not least, vitamin E, also known as alpha tocopherols, to help reduce oxidative damage and supports hair growth by improving the blood circulation to your scalp. Minerals play a huge role in hair vitality. Marshmallow root contains key elements that support stronger, healthier hair. For example, calcium, which strengthens the hair follicles and supports cell regeneration. And iron, which enhances oxygen supply to the hair roots, preventing excessive hair shedding. Or magnesium, which helps combat scalp inflammation and improves the overall quality of your strands. And zinc, which plays a role in keratin synthesis, essential for growing healthy hair strands. Let's get into the fatty acid components of marshmallow root. Linoleic acid, an omega-6 fatty acid which supports scalp hydration and soothes irritation on the scalp. Oleic acid, an omega-9 fatty acid which enhances the scalp's absorption of nutrients and boosts your hair's elasticity. And palmitic acid, which provides a protective coating that smooths your hair's cuticle and locks moisture into every strand. Marshmallow root is a fantastic addition to your formulations and hair products. Whether you're looking to boost moisture, strengthen hair, or soothe the scalp, that's why we included it in our formula for BioSlip at richandrooted.com. Thanks for watching and happy formulating.